So this is how you can remove watermarks in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to remove your watermark. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's get started by opening CapCut. Now, make sure you have a video up so that we can edit it. And as you can see at the end, there is a watermark. Just simply tap on that and then tap on delete. You can also tap on the download button at the top right corner. And once it exports, you can post it to TikTok without a watermark. Now, let's move on to the templates, which is what most people are having troubles with. Let's try using this template. Just choose a video and then tap on next. So, as you can see at the top right, there is a CapCut logo. Now, just simply tap on export, and once it's done, you can either save it to device but with a CapCut watermark, or save it and share it to TikTok without the CapCut watermark. You can also boost your video so it could get more views, which is a great addition by the way. But you're going to actually want to tap on save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark, because obviously it's going to remove the watermark so you won't have to worry about anything. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.